is wide and a mountain tall, not a footprint to be seen. A kingdom of isolation, and it looks like I'm the queen. The wind is howling like this rolling storm inside. Couldn't keep it, heaven outside. Don't let them in, don't let them see. Be the good girl you always have to be. Conceal, don't feel, don't let them know. Well, now they know. Let it go, let it go. Can't hold it back anymore. Let it go, let it go. Turn away and slam the door. I don't care what they're going to say. Let the storm rage on. The cold never bothered me anyway. It's funny how some distance makes everything seem small, and the fears that one control me can't get to me at all. It's time to see what I can do to test the limits and break through.